Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to make a video or audio call in Google Chat application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do now is just go open your Google Chat application. You can visit your app library and the search button here, just type chat. There will be pop up the application of Google Chat here, so you just need to go click it to open it. And now you can see that this is the appearance of the Google Chat whenever you open it, and you will see there is no call button on these sections, right? So to create an audio or video call, you need to open the room chat of your friends that you want to call, and after that you just need to take a look at this top right corner. There will be like two buttons here. So to create a call, you just need to go click this square, or I could say this is like a camera icon. So you just need to go click it, and you just need to choose either you want to do the chat audio or chat video. If you want to do audio call, go click this chat audio. If you want to create a video call, click this chat video. And that's all. That's the way how to create call in a Google Chat. And hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, and I'll see you for the next video.